Hi, I'm Dina Moses, and it is Club Kit number 9. Here are your Club Kit colors. We're going to play with blocks, rigid heddle. We're going to do Atwater Bronson lace. 4 shaft, we're going to do summer and winter. 8 shaft, we're going to be doing twill blocks. We're going to make games. We're going to make tic-tac-toe boards. We're going to make checkerboards. We're going to compare and contrast what different profile drafts look like in different weave structures. And hey, you know, you don't like the colors, that's okay. You don't like the game board idea, although I'm telling you, they make great holiday gifts. That's okay. You can make table runners. You can change out your colors, right? These all have the same warp and different wefts. Oh, look at that. Or, you know, in order to get really wild and crazy, you can even add sparkles. So come and join me, VermontWeavingSupplies.com. It's going to be a blast.